Today we'll be taking a closer look at Angelus. This puzzle is a level 7 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale, and it takes 21 moves to disassemble, broken down into 19 moves to remove the first piece, and 2 to remove the second piece. It was created by Pelikan Puzzles, and it's designed by Stefan Cromine. We can see that we have our nice two-toned look, Pelikan likes to do, and the extreme tolerances and nice slightly waxed finish that the wood typically has with these kind of puzzles. Now we can see here, just kind of moving stuff around, that this external frame actually has a bunch of little corridors inside of it. Places for these pieces to slip in and out of, making this quite a heavy puzzle considering it's only 3 pieces. Thank you for watching.